Let's talk about a root vegetable that's a superstar in kitchens everywhere, the carrot. You see them in lunchboxes, salads, stews, and even cakes. But the journey from seed to crunchy snack is anything but simple. It's a story of science, engineering, and logistics. We'll follow the carrot from high-tech farms to bustling processing plants. Massive machines and clever computers have replaced the old spade and basket, all for efficiency and safety. Think of this as the biography of a carrot, born on a modern farm raised by technology and finished in a state-of-the-art facility. Every step blends tradition with innovation to deliver a safe, nutritious product to millions. So grab a snack, maybe some carrot sticks, and get ready to see what really happens before that bag lands in your cart. By the end, you'll appreciate the complex choreography behind every crunch. Let's dig in. A great carrot starts with science and precision. On vast farms, soil is managed like a laboratory. Sensors track moisture, nutrients, and pH. Farmers use this data to create perfect growing conditions. GPS-guided seeders plant carrots at just the right depth and spacing, maximizing every inch of land. Sophisticated irrigation systems, linked to sensors and weather stations, deliver water only when needed. This conserves resources and ensures carrots grow straight and sweet. Drones scan fields for pests or disease, letting farmers target treatments and reduce chemical use. The goal: grow the best carrots, consistently and sustainably. From day one, technology manages every detail. It's not just about quantity, it's about quality. This high-tech nursery sets the stage for a successful harvest. The result? Uniform, healthy carrots ready for the next step. Modern farming is a blend of tradition and innovation. The carrot's journey is just beginning. Next stop, harvest. After months of care, it's harvest time. Gone are the days of hand-pulling. Now mechanical harvesters do the heavy lifting. These machines grab carrot tops with rubber belts while blades loosen the soil below. Carrots are pulled out, roots and all, in a synchronized dance. On-board, automated knives remove the greens, which return to the field as fertilizer. The carrots tumble along conveyors, shaking off dirt and rocks. By the time they reach the hopper or truck, they're already cleaner than when they left the ground. This entire process happens on the move, covering acres with relentless efficiency. Mechanical harvesting is a marvel of engineering. It's fast, precise, and essential for modern agriculture. The carrots are now ready for their next journey. Once harvested, the race is on to preserve freshness. Trucks loaded with carrots head straight from the field to the processing plant. No time wasted. The harvest is timed to match the factory's schedule, ensuring a continuous flow. Speed is crucial. The longer carrots sit, the more moisture and sweetness they lose. Getting them into a cool, controlled environment quickly is the top priority. This transition from field to factory is the first step in quality control. The carrots move from unpredictable conditions to a tightly managed process. Every minute saved means better taste and texture. The success of washing, cutting, and packaging depends on this swift journey. It's a logistical ballet that keeps carrots crisp and delicious. The modern supply chain is all about timing. Next, the carrots get their first real cleaning. At the factory, carrots are gently unloaded into a water flume for a thorough wash. The water cushions and moves them along, preventing bruising. After their bath, carrots ride conveyor belts to high-speed cameras and optical sorters. These machines scan each carrot in milliseconds, rejecting any that don't meet strict standards. Air jets knock out broken, green, or misshapen carrots, sending them for other uses. This automated process sorts tons of carrots per hour with unmatched accuracy. Only the best carrots move forward. Early removal of undesirables saves resources for the top-quality product. The result? A stream of uniform, high-quality carrots ready for transformation. Technology ensures consistency and safety at every step. Next up, peeling and cutting. Clean and sorted, the carrots head to the peeler. Industrial abrasion peelers gently grind off the outer skin as carrots tumble inside. Water sprays keep them cool and wash away peel particles. Timing is precise. Just enough peel is removed, no waste. Peeled carrots emerge bright and smooth, ready for cutting. In the cutting room, machines slice and shape carrots into baby carrots, sticks, coins, or dices. Razor-sharp blades and water jets create perfectly uniform pieces at high speed. Consistency is key for even cooking and appealing appearance. This level of precision is impossible by hand at scale. The carrots are now ready for packaging. Packaging is more than just wrapping, it's protection and preservation. Whole carrots go into vented bags. Cut carrots use modified atmosphere packaging, MAP. Machines weigh and drop precise amounts into bags, then flush out air for a special gas mix. This slows respiration and keeps carrots fresh for weeks. Bags are heat-sealed, labeled, and ready for shipment. Automation ensures every package is safe and consistent. Packaging also tells you where your carrots came from and when they're best by. It's the final handshake between producer and consumer. Now the carrots are ready for their cold journey. After packaging, carrots head straight to refrigerated warehouses. Here, temperatures hover just above freezing with high humidity, perfect for preservation. This is the start of the cold chain, an unbroken line of refrigeration from factory to store. Cold storage slows metabolism, keeping carrots sweet and crunchy. Powerful cooling systems and constant monitoring maintain the delicate balance. When it's time to ship, carrots travel in refrigerated trucks or containers, keeping the cold chain intact. This system allows fresh carrots year-round, even far from the farm. The cold chain is the unsung hero of modern produce. It extends shelf life and ensures quality across continents. Thanks to this network, your carrots arrive nearly as fresh as the day they were picked. The journey is almost complete. And there you have it, the high-tech journey of the humble carrot. From GPS-guided planting to mechanical harvesting, optical sorting, and precision packaging, every step is a marvel of modern ingenuity. Technology boosts efficiency, safety, and quality, making carrots affordable and accessible year-round. Automated systems reduce waste and ensure only the best reach your table. The cold chain keeps them fresh, no matter the distance. This process is a modern miracle, feeding millions with reliability and care. Next time you crunch a carrot, remember the science and teamwork behind it. The humble carrot is a triumph of innovation and logistics, and that makes every bite even sweeter.